Want to accept payments for your small business using Venmo? Here's exactly how to set it up the right way. First things first, don't use a personal Venmo. Why do I sound like Obama? First things first, don't use a personal Venmo account for business transactions. It violates their terms and can get your account flagged or even shut down. Instead, open the Venmo app and tap the Me tab in the bottom right, then go to settings and select business profile. Tap get started and follow the steps to create your business profile. You will need to enter details like your business name, type of goods or services, and a short description of what you do. You can also add a profile photo or logo to help customers recognize your brand. Next, choose how you want to get paid. Venmo lets customers pay you just like they would pay a friend. They can find your business username, scan your QR code, or tap through links you can post online or on social media. Every time you receive a payment, it goes into your Venmo business balance, which you can transfer to your bank manually or automatically. Keep in mind, Venmo charges a 1.9% plus a 10-cent fee for each business transaction. You can track payment history and issue refunds directly from the app. Customers don't need a business account to pay you, just a Venmo account. It's great for freelancers, home based businesses, or anyone who wants a simple, mobile friendly way to accept money. Once you're set up, post your QR code at checkout, own flyers, or in your Instagram bio to make it easy for people to pay. If you found this useful, hit a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more real world tools to grow your small business fast.